Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm unboxing the Samsung S24 Ultra. It arrived today, and I'm going to unbox it and also share my first impressions of this phone. I already own the S23 Ultra and saw the Galaxy Unpacked event and first thought there's no need for me to head into the 24 Ultra, but I got a good deal via corporate benefits. Also was able to trade in my 23 Ultra, and this was the reason why I thought, hey, let's give it a try. Let's try the new AI features. Let's look how a titanium body feels. So I was really interested to see how this new flagship also with the new processor performs. So this is the reason why I bought it, and without further ado, now let's head into the unboxing. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's in the box. First we need to remove the seals. Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, sealed package. Yeah, they are fine. And now I also need to take care that nobody seeing my serial number, and I will remove this immediately. It's always one of the disadvantages when you unbox a Samsung phone. So perhaps let's do it again. Ha! There it is. So as you can see, I decided to get myself the gray titanium, and it's quite heavy. First impressions. It's actually not much lighter than the S23 Ultra, but it's a really interesting color when you hold it into the light. Quite nice. Okay, there we have the screen protector. Let's peel it off. Oh. So this screen will definitely never be this new and shiny and hopefully scratch-free. Right now it's always very special to unbox new devices. I really like the color. It's something new. It also feels very good, I have to say, in contrast to the glass and aluminum frames. Very nice. But other than that, I mean, yeah, it's a Galaxy S Ultra phone, right? Nothing really new and special, and yeah, I mean, that's what I expected. Most of what's new is inside the phone and not outside. I mean, titanium is really good and great, but the inside is what is special. And I will now also, but what you can see also is that especially the screen is not as reflective as before, and I have the S23 Ultra next to it. We perhaps can do really short comparison of the S24 screen with the S23 screen, and immediately you can see how much less reflective the S24 screen is. Here you can see the S23, and it reflects the lamp much more than the S24. Really a big difference in terms of reflectivity. Really looking forward to using the S24 Ultra outside, and also with turned on screen to see how this will look. Some reports say the screen really looks like printed or like paper because it doesn't reflect so much light as the screens before. Really special. Also, I really wonder how scratch resistant the new Gorilla Glass armor will be, because I used a screen protector most of the time for the S23, but since removing it, I already have some minor scratches in the screen. I mean, the good thing of these prior Gorilla glasses was that they are that they do not shatter so easy, but this came with less scratch resistance. Same is true for the iPhones. Okay, so let's turn the device on for the first time. Yeah, there we go. Welcome. Now we can use another device to set up the S24. So that's it. That was my unboxing and first impressions video of the S24 Ultra. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any more content about the S24 Ultra and also comparison videos between S24 Ultra and my foldable phones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.